Well, hello. Seems like I just spoke with you all. Anyway, welcome to Monday, week 2. Today we're talking about the Words of Mormon through Mosiah 2. The Words of Mormon is a nice kind of piece of scripture that pops into the Book of Mormon after the plates of Nephi and before Mormon's abridgment. So if you think of a timeline, and we know we love timelines, we're about, 300 years or so after the Nephites left Jerusalem. And then we have the Words of Mormon, which are 400 years after Christ came. And so we have this almost span of 1,000-ish years, or maybe closer to 600 years, I suppose, between the scriptures. Then we get back to Mosiah, which is back in shortly after the Nephites left, or 300 years after the Nephites left Jerusalem. So it's kind of a little insert that says, hey, I found these plates, I stuck them in here. From here on out is me, Mormon, writing down what I found was useful in all the different plates that were there. And then we get into Mosiah, which is King Benjamin, whereas King Benjamin gives his general conference. And speaking of general conference, let me find my little countdown to general conference on my phone. So if you can see that, we have 18 days to general conference. So it's kind of exciting. I don't know if you've been following the emails for general conference. They are talking about how they're doing it differently and how they won't be in the conference center. They'll use pre-recorded music and it'll just be the speakers. So it's kind of interesting to watch how the church is adapting to this. So I encourage you to take the time to read the Words of Mormon and Mosiah chapter 1 and 2. Chapter 2 of Mosiah is fantastic. We have a scripture mastery scripture in there, Mosiah 2:17, which is when you're in the service of your fellow being, you are only in the service of your God. And so it's a great time to do service, especially right now. And I would encourage you, in a way of thinking of service here, a great thing you could do would be to write letters to those folks who might be in nursing homes. They can't have visitors, but they can have letters. So have a great week and have a great day. Thanks.